So check it out. What are we doing? We're gonna make some AI stuff, right? So it's super duper duper easy, so easy to make these AI things these days. Like even the AI, because we're really not making them. We're not making anything. We're not, but just to prompt them, give them some guidance, give them some whatever, right? So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make some AI things.
Yeah, I'm gonna have my dad.
He's gonna help. We're gonna do this together. So much like seen here, I don't know if you can see it, hear it. I think my mic is on this time, which is a good sign, right? But this is something just like this. Ask me anything that we've just been playing around with. Thank you, Spheroid. First off, this all goes out to Spheroid XR Hub, the whole community over there, everybody over there. Shout out to you for doing the thing, being who you are, because things like this are so easy and anybody can do it. And I think if everybody did it, it would make the world a little bit more fun, right? A little bit more fun. On the topics of shout outs right there, Dallas Aurora, right? Dallas Aurora out there. So if you are a video person, right? You make videos and do those kinds of things, submit your videos. And actually, let me see if I can't pull that up here. That's going to play kind of on rotate back there in the background. That's going to be kind of like a concept of what we're going to be doing here today. We're going to be doing these things. We're going to be playing with some AI. So we're gonna be playing with some AI, playing with some Meshy, right? Some Meshy, some ChatGPT, some Meshy. We're gonna create a little character, maybe, okay? And we'll just have something fun with it. We're gonna keep it short. It may be 30 minutes, might be an hour. It just depends on how much fun we have. To be very real with you. But we're just gonna be having that video that's just been playing on repeat there. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it there. But as you can see on the video here, the avatar is responsive. You can ask the questions; it'll tell you different things. Yes, sir.
I'm not trying to get
Oh, well, you are in, but you're good. Go ahead.
Yeah. I'm trying to
No, but you're. What's up?
Most of the part, I might be like the whole hour. I might like some of the hours.
You're gonna be in and out. You're gonna ADHD this thing out, huh? You're gonna come in when you're interested and dip when you're not interested. Is that what you're saying? I understand. Too easy. We can do that. So, but as y'all can see, we got these AI. So we're gonna do this. It's gonna be. It's so simple. Like they've done this before. You can do it. And the nice part about this is everybody does. It's just even more fun. So, I was gonna show something somewhere, but I probably won't now. I'll just go like this. We're gonna go back here. So that's the concept. That's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, and we can go ahead and get kick-started now if we want to. Right, we can just jump right into this. And what are we jumping into exactly? Well, so what do we want to make today? Right, let's go look at Spheroid for a minute because that's what I'm saying we're gonna be doing this on. Right, so you see this here. You see the Instagram. That's what I was going to show you. I was going to show you Dallas Aurora and where you can find out more information for all you people that like to do things. Okay. Let me go share this tab instead. We're thrilled to invite proposals for Video Art Nights 2025, a one-night free public art exhibition taking place on April 11th, transforming Pegasus Plaza in downtown Dallas. So if that sounds like you, if it sounds like something you're into,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Go ahead and reach out to them. That's what that is. Dallas Aurora. It's just that simple, just Dallas Aurora. So go ahead, give them the like and the follow and show up, do that thing. So we're going to go over here. Let's look at Spheroid for a minute. So just to start off, all right, so this is not the homepage of Spheroid. In fact, just to get here, it can be a little bit interesting, right? So go boom, boom, boom. I'm a little bit afraid to do this here. Let's go. We go like this. Copy, cut. I'm just gonna do it like this. So we're gonna go over here to the homepage itself, the original homepage. Okay. One of the hardest parts of getting into anything, right, It's just, where do I go? Where to click? What is my route to get to the spot that I want to be? Right. I'm not trying to, I'm not a brand, right? So I don't care about any of that stuff. I just want to come in here and do things, right? So let me just come in here and do things, right? So let's go here. I'm going to take you all the way from ground zero. All right. So if you went straight to spheroiduniverse.io, this is what it would pull up currently. All right. So you scroll all the way down. All right. Just keep scrolling. It'll look like the page disappeared. It didn't. You just keep scrolling. Okay. Don't worry about it. Just keep scrolling. When it says right here with the Learn Spheroid script, you can do all that, and that's not a bad idea if you're interested in doing more with this, because the possibilities here are going to be like limitless. And when we really start talking about the AIs and the augmented reality and XR and all those things, knowing the back-end script isn't a bad idea. And that's right here. Okay, so learn the script right there. Learn Spheroid Emerge IDE right here. Okay, again, where you can go ahead, cloud-based integrated development environment for programmers and designers who work together on AR, XR projects. The Emerge IDE allows to create digital worlds, fill and animate them. It offers real-time log streaming and debug data from a device to the IDE, fast Spheroid script, compilation, and instant app deployment feature. So when you open the XR Hub, which is the app for Spheroid Universe, when you first open it, when you get the XR Hub, there's actually multiple apps there. And so there's going to be multiple games that people can use, and they'll utilize all of these different locations, right? At different times. So there's like the multiple layers, multiple apps. So all of those spaces can have multiple types of value on multiple layers. Okay, if you and from multiple games, right? So multiple games can be played at the same spot and not have to each get a different set of slots, a different set of times. So that you can build it all, and it is going to be interesting. One of the things that I like about Spheroid already is when you do go into the app, like for example, by Southwest with Lynn, we open the app to view a remote experience, right? To view something that was actually supposed to be far away, and that worked. That did just fine. And what we found was that after loading that experience, it actually loaded the whole real world too. So all of the experiences that were laid out in the environment already, we could see those as well. And so it didn't matter whether we opened the experience remote or not, all the geo-locked experiences opened as well. So that was really cool to see. So I like what they're doing here. But again, this is the front page. We're going to keep scrolling. We're not getting distracted by the script quite yet. You can go back. That's there. Right now, we're just going to do the real quick, just boom, just to get you to the point of, now, if you want to publish something, no script, just drag and drop, which is what we're doing. Okay. So you got the home page, boom, you're right here, spheroiduniverse.io. Then you go, boom, place content in XR, just like this. Bam. Once you do this, it's going to take you to this screen here. Okay. You can go promote your brand, engage new customers, express yourself, post a birthday wish, showcase your NFT, have some fun, organize XR event, try XR out, create a challenge. Okay, there's so many options here. So many options. All right. But we're gonna go with just right here. Just express yourself. Okay, just express yourself. All right. It's still gonna take you to this right here. You got Spheroid Metaverse, you got Pixel Voxel, and you got Planet Nostra. Now, Planet Nostra, where it says in development, that is a game that you can go ahead. It's got an egg capper game. A lot of us have been growing our avatars, going on little hunts, doing different things. The XR experience is not out yet. We are all waiting for that, but you can go ahead and get your avatars, your characters, or whatever you need, because I feel like there's going to be a whole lot more coming to it. Yeah, but go ahead and start getting your elements and everything like that ready. Start booking up your barracks, because it's going to be fun. But we're going to go right here up to the top of these three with Spheroid Metaverse. We're going to click that there. Click it, clack it there. Now, as you can see, it's going to pull up the map. All right. Right now, it's showing me in Alabama, I believe, right there at the Canabama store. So shout out to Canabama and Alabama and Jennifer Boozer and everybody over there. Thanks for supporting us for so far, so long. We are having some fun out here, but let's go. Where do we want to put this character? This AI avatar. Where is a good spot? I don't even know if anybody's watching the thing. So let's see if there's any chats going. Let's go over here, over here. No, there's no one asking questions. There's no one saying anything. So it doesn't matter. We're just gonna keep on rolling. All right. So we're just gonna keep on rolling. Keep on rolling. Here we go. Where was I at? We're over here looking at this map. So here we can go anywhere. We can go anywhere. And let me go back here to the all XR post. So if we look here, you can see this Jennifer Booth right there. There's new XR posts, new XR posts. These are not titled, but you can see where they are in the world. So there's Slovakia, okay. There's Germany. There's one. That's the Deep Ellum Music Art Garden. There's United States, America, Dallas, right? America. Some of these don't have the names of the authors. Some of us have started putting our names and identifying ourselves there. Hang on. It says my browser has lost connection to your screen share audio. Try sharing your screen again. Restart. Okay, that's okay. We don't need that audio right now. In fact, I'll just close this whole thing out. I don't even want to go back there. So you're gonna go back to where we at. We're over here. So, as you can see, there's some in Italy. Okay, there's been places in the United Kingdom and London. Right, there's places all over the world. Argentina. Then we've got Realtor Vegas. We got something in the United States. That's not me. That's kind of cool to see, right? You got United Kingdom. Where's Colin? I know there's Colin right there with Rushmore 2.0 Trump edition right there. That was out there at the blockchain council or the blockchain summit at the SMU campus right outside the George Bush Library. It was kind of cool. So because that was fun for us. It was hometown, right? Getting to see. You got a robo here in Brazil, right? Another something over here, diamonds in a ring, Paris. Okay. That's kind of cool. NCAA, right? There's all kinds of stuff that's going out there. There's Marseille Intercontinental. Okay, ask me anything, Dallas, stuff like that. You got Desi 5. I don't know what this work AI is, but I want to know. So that would be kind of cool if there was links where we could just go click and then go view it, and view it with the AR and stuff like that. It would be interesting. And I want to click this and go and test it out, but not right now. We are on a schedule here. We want to make some AIs of our own. Stop getting us distracted, right? All right, so here's what we've done so far. We've gotten into the website, right? We got into the website. So we started at ground zero over here. Okay, we're going to share this tab. So we started at ground zero right here. The very, 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 very beginning. We had to scroll all the way down, right? All the way down. You're gonna scroll all the way down until you get to XR advertising right there. And you can buy some spaces, but we're gonna go right here. We click that, and then we go over here, and it takes us to the map, right? Takes us to where we want to be over here, where we pick a spot in the world that we want to be. Let's go over here. There's a casino up here, and casinos up here in Oklahoma. One of them's right here off of 35, okay? And one of them's right over here off of 75, over here, right? Durant, okay? Oh, I don't believe that's it. I do not believe that's it. We're going to go way up here. This is it. There we go. So I believe this is Windstar over here. Somewhere. Excuse me. That could be. There it is. Right there. You come around the corner and bam. Like as soon as you enter it. I want to say. So this is Windstar. This looks like Windstar. That looks like their parking lot. That's it right there. Okay, so let's put, if we can, let's see if there, look, you got people own the spots. Okay, that's not surprising. Not surprising that people own spots there. So where should we put it? Should we put it right up front here? Okay, put it inside somewhere. So if we know the layout of the casino, and this can help when you put your AIs out, where is it actually going, right? And if you know the visual layout of where you're going, that can help a lot. So over here, right? What really happens, as you can see, you got an entrance here. Okay, you got this entrance here. You got an entrance right over here. This is not an. I mean, it's like it's a little pathway kind of thing, but people come in here, right? Right here's this is a big entrance right here because they come around. It's got a nice little pull up to it. You know what I mean? A little pull your car up to it. Little pull your car up to it. So we can go this entrance here, right? Or we can go this entrance right here. Now, where do we want? Let's go with. Do we want on the hotel side? Do we want on the casino side? That's the question. That's what we really want to know. Do we want to put our AI assistant on the hotel side, which is over here, or the casino side? Since nobody's in the chat talking, and that's cool. You don't have to talk. That's all right. We don't know. I wouldn't know anyways because I'm not actually looking at any of the chats to be very real. Oh wait, no, yeah, no. See, there's an AI. There is an AI chatting with us. Thank you, augmented and virtual reality wizard. It's been fun watching you. You've been following us for a little while. We're creating AI avatars in Spheroid. Looks like a breeze. It is a breeze. It definitely is. And it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. So, but we're gonna go back over to where am I? I'm looking at this map. We're gonna put it over here somewhere. Let me close this just so I don't have all these screens open. All right. Let's put it on the casino side, right? So, and if we go inside, because see, here's the thing about the casino. You see all of this. This is all casino too, right? So there's actually multiple entrances. There's another something. This is the casino, or not the casino. This is the poker hall right here, right? So it's really just poker, and there's a giant. It's like I think it's the world's biggest poker room. Is or was at one time, right there. Parking garage here. There's some good restaurants right here when you go and visit WinStar. The buffet is right around the corner over here. So I do like staying inside the garage because it's covered. It is a garage. It's kind of nice. But I also like going in entrance here. So now that I've gone over here, right? Another entrance on this side. But let's go with this big entrance right here. In fact, we're gonna put it. Dang, see this center spot right here? Because this is actually like a big, giant globe thing that spins around and says WinStar on it. So it's split right down the middle. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna click this spot, and this is fun. We're gonna go confirm. That's the spot we want. Okay. And then we're gonna go over to, because before we put a character in there, right? We're going to want to, in fact, let me do a couple of things. Let's go here. Bump, 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 bump. New. Dun, 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 dun. Back. I need to go here. All right, so I know we're still live. So right now I'm getting set up on Meshy, all right, and getting that set up over there. And then we're gonna go over to, and I'm getting my folder set up for the download so that we get our, so that we have a spot to put it. What's today's date? Today is the 7th. Wow, good night. Get out. 1/7/2025. That's crazy. Where did time go? Let's go like this. Oh wait, no, I want that there. All right. And then I'm gonna go here.
Is this Lydia's?
Is that Lydia's? Yes, that is Lydia's. Let's go. go. I'm getting all this. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there, y'all. All right. Ready for this? Let's get over this. So now we're gonna move over to Meshy. But as you can see, like you've just been looking at my models this whole time. We got Can Bam over there. We got a pillar. We got to create whatever. Let's get Meshy pulled up over here. We're gonna go. Actually, first before we get to Meshy, we're gonna go back over here to ChatGPT. Right. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the idea of what is this character, right? What is this character that we actually want? Right. What is this thing that we actually want? Is it, what we want? So we know it's at WinStar, right? So can you help write a prompt for an AI avatar character that sits outside of the WinStar Casino and can help people know where to go and what to do there. Boom. There's so many red lines, and there's one of the things that I love about AI is it doesn't even matter about all those red lines and those misspelled words that I just had. We're getting here on the go. All right, so as that's writing the prompt there, okay, and that's all good and gravy. I'm gonna go over here.
Gravy, not good.
I love gravy. We're gonna go over there. We got that done there. So now, here, what is it giving us? You're lucky, friendly, knowledgeable air. All right, so this is what. All right. Can you describe in one paragraph or 200 characters what this avatar would look like? There we go. All right. Just super simple stuff. Okay. We're letting this thing just go to town. I know we could be all fancy with it, but we're not. We're just going to use some thinking. All right. Let's go like this. So now we're going to take this. I'm not even going to change. I'm even going to leave the name and everything in there. I'm going to take it right over here to Meshy. Okay. Let's go like this. Let's go Meshy. Share this tab instead. Okay. We're going to put this right here. Paste. And I'm going to hit enter there. Okay. All right. All right. Look at that. Look at that beautiful little Jennifer Boozer over there that's all ready. Oh, wait, hang on. Let's go. It didn't generate. So I'm going to go generate. I'm almost out of credits, y'all. I play with Meshy too much, way too much. Meshy, I could use some credit. I love this place. I love this thing. It's amazing. I make so much stuff. I play with it. So we made broccoli people. It was fun. So as that's getting there, okay. Now we can take this same prompt for the character, but I want it to redefine it. Can you write the character profile prompt in a shorter and more concise? And I know I'm sometimes like what you can misspell all the words you want to. It's beautiful. You don't even you can like just go in gibberish. Wait a minute, no. No, this is for the AI avatar. All right, let's go. Get the character description. Rewrite the spot. There we go. All right. So I'm just going to take this little, your name is Lucky thing. Okay. Oh, wait, no, we already did that. Let's go look at Meshy over here. What did we get in Meshy? Huh? What do we have over there? There we go. Meshy. Here we go. All right, what do we have here? What are our character options? So we got this lady here. We got this little gaga thing here. We got this one here. That's interesting. I'm not sure what's going on with that. This looks like it'd be cool just to be like floating in the air. Which one? This one or this one? I feel like this one over the globe kind of more classy, but I still like this one. This one on the ground would be kind of nice, though, right? You know, like this one floating in the air, kind of like it's an invisible type thing. But this, okay, we're gonna go with this one. We're gonna go confirm, click. All right. I'm already taking too long making this thing. We're 30 minutes in, and all we've done so far is find out where to go on Spheroid to get to the spot that we want to be. Because you go to the spot, and you go to the XR spot, and then it takes you to the spot, right? Okay, lots of spots. And then we did go to the ChatGPT, and we did have to write in a couple of times. And I'm terrible with the prompts. You all saw that. I couldn't get it to do what I wanted. It took me like 3-4 minutes to figure out to do what it wanted to do. And then we're gonna come over here. First, we do have the stuff there. We do have that stuff that's happening. So we do have the brain thing. Okay, it's generating. Let's see what happens. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. This is gonna be fun. So if we go back over here to the ChatGPT, let's see where are we at on the Spheroid. So on Spheroid side, right? We've already picked our location. We're at Windstar. Okay, we're about to take this character. We don't even care what. We're not going to add any animations to it. We don't have to get that kind of fancy. You want to say hi? You're going to say hi.
What I missed.
We went to Spheroid. Okay, we got on there. We went to the homepage. We scrolled all the way to. We picked the spot at the casino. Okay, so we're going to be at the casino at Windstar Casino, and we've got this character about to pop up here. Go like this. Should be popping. It's at 96% right there right now. Okay, so that. Huh? You don't think they can see it? You think it's too far away? You think? Yeah, no. So they should be. So everything right here should be what is seen out there. So at 99%. Here we go.
100%.
There we go. Boom. All right. So this is the color it gave. All right. So I don't hate it.
I like it.
You like it? You're okay with it? You like it? The colors work. Actually, the colors I don't hate. And you know what? It's actually I like this.
Is it the girl sticker?
I don't know. It's not even Wonderland anything. This is just a whole different. So here's what ChatGPT said. So the avatar name, Lucky, resembles a vibrant, modern guide with a friendly face, warm smile, and approachable vibe. Dressed in a sleek uniform blending Windstar's colors, they hold a glowing, interactive tablet radiating charm and confidence. All right, so that's pretty cool. So let's go back over here. So now we're gonna take this. Okay, we're just gonna leave it just like that. I like it. We're gonna download. No, I'm not even gonna rig it or anything. Okay, so
we're not gonna touch it out.
Spheroid works with GLBs. Okay, GLBs. Remember this, GLBs. Now, if you're using the scripting and other things like that, get with Colin. There should be some more videos and stuff like that Colin has on the script and all those types of things. I mean, GLBs still work there too. But if you're doing the drag and drop stuff like we're doing right now, GLBs all day. Right, so we're gonna download, boom, make that super simple. Then we're gonna go back over here. So we're gonna share this tab. Now we're back over here. Do y'all remember here? Do you remember how we got here? Okay, so we selected the world, right? Selected the world. We selected the location. Okay, so first we selected the world, right? We went here. We went Spheroid Metaverse. Okay. We selected the location. We're right here outside of Windstar. We selected right by the globe right there. We can change this actually still. So if we want to select, I'm feeling more inside. What do y'all think? More inside. We'll put it like right, because we don't want to be like right there. Nobody's actually going to stand right there and see it, right? So let's put it more inside. Let's put her right right here. I like right here because I know the inside of this place. We can put it right here. So we're gonna go choose the file right there. The avatar named Lucky right there, or Lou in this case. Right. Now you can rename, right? You can rename here at this moment right here. So we can go Lucky, just like that. That's the name of the character. Lukey. All right, let's take that out of there. Shout out Dr. Pepper. Hopefully you'll sponsor us one day. Thank you.
Love it.
We want Dr. Pepper on all of these things. We want it everywhere.
That's on him. That's on him.
Mhm.
Not my favorite drink.
What's your favorite?
So I really.
Okay.
What the thing is about that favorite?
The thing is about that favorite.
I don't know.
You don't know what that favorite is. I got
It's
it.
either like cream soda.
Cream soda. I like cream soda,
It's good.
but it's not as good as Dr. Pepper. I can't
I
drink
like-
cream soda every day like I can drink Dr. Pepper every day.
I like cream soda.
I know
Cream
you-
soda's my favorite.
I like Dr. Pepper. So here you can see the avatar or the character. So how do we get this thing to
They
talk to
have a
people?
brain.
To talk. Where it says add brain. Okay.
Add a brain, add a
Again,
brain.
it's gonna get really okay. Gonna click that there. Maybe. Maybe. There we go. All right. There we go. All right. But
It's lying.
it's lagging. Yeah, I know it's lagging. It happens sometimes.
That's double click.
So we're gonna go back over here. So I went back to chat, and as so just so you can see exactly what's happening. Okay. So I'm going to take this. Actually, so let's take this big one. Let's see if we can put this many characters inside of it first. Let's go like this. Let's go just like this. Like that's just that first one. Let's see if we can put this many characters. Let's see. Excuse me. If we can, let's go share this tab instead. Okay, so here, Control B, bam. All right, so we just put all those characters in there. Let's give it a female voice. All right, we're gonna give it a female voice here,
I
and
gotta know.
no animation. Okay, there's no animation. We didn't rig it. We didn't do anything like that. We are gonna have it look at the user. Okay, we are gonna have it look at the user for the conversation. So no matter, I went to go view this remotely right now, I would be standing inside of it. Probably it would be just a terrible experience. So what I can do is I can a spawn point for the remote access. If I do want people to be able to do this with just a QR code and not having to be in the location, right? So if we go here, I'm going to go location, remote, and then position, right? And then as you can see, you got the X and the Y's and the Z's. Okay, I'm going to go here, back it up a little bit, make it even there. All right, so now when somebody opens this up in the remote view, this is what they'll see. So they'll be about that far away, right? I feel like that's a decent distance. I can put them a little bit closer if we feel like we should. Maybe we should. We'll put them
Maybe we shouldn't.
Maybe we should. All right, so now that we've got that there, we're going to go back to this location. We're going to go up here. I'm going to label this WinStar, and I just for the fun of it, I'm going to capitalize that AR, WinStar, Casino, AI, Avatar, and you know I'm going to Avatar Fun, right? All right, so we've got that out there. Okay, so it's there. Now, if we want to test this, and this is going to be good for 6 hours. It says right here, scan QR code to see a scene. This QR code is valid for 6 hours. You have to be on the space. Okay, so you don't have to be on the space to see the XR scene. You scan this QR code. If you have an Android and you have downloaded the XR Hub app, you will be able to scan this QR code and go and see it. In fact, I'm going to do it right now. If we want to, you can join me, right? We're going to go like this. I'm going to go scan this QR code here, right? Pop it open. Let's see how well this thing works. Let's see if it does work, right? Let's see. So you're going to pop open here. I don't know how well this will work for everybody out there. Okay. but we're gonna try this here. So they're floating, but they should still be. Turn that up there. They floated away, probably because I'm standing like right next to myself here. But let's just go ahead and here, I'll even go like this. Let's go. Let's make my screen bigger. So we're gonna go here. There we go. And just for whom we're gonna test out the mic, see what they know, see what it says. So we're gonna go, hello. Oops. Hello. All right, so it might not work just because I'm being hello. Hello. All right, so let's go back here. We may have too many characters inside of this, and that's what we're about to find out now. So this happens. Okay, so now let's go back to this ChatGPT just so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. All right, so now I'm going to go, we're going to take this prompt here, go back over here. Okay, take this here, add the brain. Let's go. All right, there we go. Delete. Then we're going to go here, Control V here, and bam, everything's good. All right, so now we got that there. We're going to just to click some more buttons and stuff. We're going to click this one. Now, this is a new QR code. It's a tester. So if you were watching the other one, you saw that first QR code, you're like, oh, I'm going to try it. I don't know if it'll work anymore. Right? Might have to try this. You might have to pay attention to see the second QR code. All right. But we're testing these. We're playing with these. We're going to have some fun with these. Let's go. Well, not let's go. Now I'm going to try and see. I love how it looks like on my end I'm glitched out and the face I'm making is not the one I want to be making. Let's see if taking the characters and reducing it made it in, bro. Let's go. Hello. It did not. It's still not working. It's just not crazy. Well, dude, that's on you, Spheroid. Can't say I didn't try. No, I know it works, and it's kind of funny that it's not working right now. I don't know exactly why it's not working right now. Let's go like this. Because this has worked before. We know it does because we've done it before. All right, Spheroid. So what's going on? So here, let's back this all up. Okay. In fact, let's just go. Let's rewrite the whole prompt. We like the design of the character. Okay. Let's go here. Let's just rewrite a full new prompt here. Right. Let's go share this tab. Instead, we're going to go back to this ChatGPT. Let's see, because we still got a few minutes. We're still early. We're like just started testing and seeing if it's going to work. Oh my goodness, we spent a whole 30 minutes. And most of that time I was running my mouth about how to get into this project. But now we're here. So let's go. All right, ChatGPT, what do you got for me? Let's go make some avatars to talk, right? So we got, I want to make an AI avatar for Spheroid universe. What do you know about writing a good prompt for that? All right, so here we go. You like let's train your avatar verse on screen. All right. Can you write a short size for a character that is at Windstar Casino? There we go. Let's see. Lucky Lou, that's cool that it left the name. I think it's cool. I don't know. Interesting that it left the name. That's an interesting thing. Very interesting. All right, so here we go. We've got, what is it doing? Is it still doing the ChatGPT thing over here? Let's see what we got. We got a pretty. All right, I like this one. Go like this. Okay, we're gonna go copy. Come back over here. Share this tab just so everybody can see. All right, so we're still here with the same character. We're gonna go boom, paste that there, enter. All right, so let's check. We still like our remote view. That's good. We're gonna go over here. Click that QR code. Check this one out now. Here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, here we go. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so let's see if it works now, right? So this QR code, again, I don't know if you were watching earlier and you scanned that one and it doesn't work. This one may or may not still work. It depends on if this thing's talking, doing what we want to do. We're going to say, hello. Why are you not responding? What happened? We don't know. We don't know. You know what I am going to do? You know what we are going to do? We are going to go check one, okay, that we do know works, right? So here we can go over to, let's go share this tab. So one of the nice things is we can go my XR post, right? You can, once you publish things, you can go ahead and look at them. So we got my XR post. Let's go look at one that, here we go. We're going to go, we got Jennifer Boozer. We can look at that one. Let's go like this. So get link for remote play. Let's go like this. This should work, right? Because this one did work. So if it's not working now, we definitely know it's on the Spheroid backend, in which case they could be doing an update. We don't know. It'd be nice to know. We'd love to hear from you, Spheroid. The community would love to know. It's super simple. It's so easy. Why mess it up now? So we're going to say, hello. It looks like none of them are working, which is good to know. Because that means it wasn't just us this time. It means it's something on their side. And it tends to happen sometimes. We'll find out. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to make a post. We're going to say, we're going to call them out. I'm going to call them out right now. I'm going to say, look at this. Look, watch me do this thing. I'm going to go, hey, at Spheroid. Yeah. What's up with the AI not working? Boom, boom, boom. We wanted to play. All right, so yeah, I still think everybody can because it's super simple, and I am, let us know when back so we can cover the world with information. I don't know. Yeah, but we want to play. We want to play with toys. Let me get off of that screen. So you're not just reading all of them things. So let's go back over here. So with that, super simple. You all saw it. That's how it really is, just that simple. It like in less than 1 hour, we broke, we played, we tested, we did the things, right? But yeah, you can go right in there. Okay, boom, add a brain. Like it really is. Once this thing's up and running again, that will be just fine. So they're getting ready to launch the Planets of Nostra game. If you haven't gotten into that, I highly recommend looking into that. It'll be a lot of fun. Okay, let me find out where. Let's go. Planeta. Oops. Planeta. Here we go. Let's see what they've got going on. We're going to share this tab. We're going to go. I'm going to share the X. Share the X. Who wouldn't want you to share the X? So we got Planet of Nostra. Okay, so December 9th, the major update is scheduled for Friday the 13th. Prepare for the 9 mystery. Blah, 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 blah. They did. They added, that was in the Egg Tapper game. The Egg Tapper game has been on Ton inside the Telegram channels. Go and check that out. That's where they're doing a lot of their build-up promo right now. As you can see, they're been partnering with a lot of Ton games. If you don't know about Ton, that's really over there on the Telegram platform. Check it out. A lot of fun stuff. Just a lot of tippity tappity stuff. A lot of people getting ready to do some things, and boy, howdy, are they doing the things, right? So you can go out there and egg to tap and start collecting your avatars now if you want to for the Planets of Nostra game. That's going to be launching on Spheroid as well inside the XR Hub. Get ready for that. I know I'm excited. I've been getting my avatars ready. Let's see what their website looks like right now. So here we go, right? There we go. There's their website. This is what it looks like inside of the app when you go inside the egg cap stuff. Not inside the Spheroid app. This is inside the Telegram mini game. Okay, look, specifically says casual game in Telegram. All right, immersive gameplay in XR. This is coming. This is what will be on the Spheroid universe. It looks something similar to this. I'm excited because it'll be fun. You're gonna be walking around corners and poof, there the things are, right? So that's gonna be fun. Go ahead and get your airdrops prepared, right? When new players make an in-app purchase, they buy items from other players, not from the game's developers. Okay, do you see that? When new players make in-app purchases, they buy items from other players, not from the game's developers. It's going to be very interesting. I'm excited to see how this gameplay works out. There's been lots of talks about changing the landscape of the games and how game pieces and different things get transferred and ownership, and the gamers act like we've talked about it for a while about on Fortnite, right? Being able to like sell your items, trade your items, do all those things. Like World of Warcraft, you get at least like trade items, in game kind of thing. But this is on a whole different level. So this is the true peer-to-peer economics that a lot of us have been waiting for. Hopefully, we'll be seeing pretty soon. I'm excited for it. I'm pretty seeing it. So lots of stuff coming. Here's where you can see the roadmap and what's going on. Avatars, the NFT giveaways, those things happen inside the Telegram. The peer-to-peer market, that actually got pushed back a little bit. The adventures, I believe that got pushed back a little bit. Everything got pushed back just a little bit. But as you can see, you got Q2, you have a token sale, the TGE listing, and airdrop. So that's all coming. It's supposed to be coming Q2 of 2025. So summertime could be fun, right? In the spring, beginning of summer. So that could be a good time for those people ready, right, and prepared. Apologies to everyone that we did not get this brain to work, okay, and this avatar to work right away. I'm glad to know that we were able to test the other one, right? So that wasn't just me. It is them out there. I will share the links. In fact, let me do that. This one is the Deep Elm Art Garden. Oops, let me go like this. We go back because I hit the wrong button. All right, but I'm going to share the links to those so I'm going to share the links to the Deep Elm Art Garden, which has an avatar assistant there that can tell you about the artist involved and who all did what. It'll probably focus on mostly Jared or Detox art from but the links are there. I'll share those on X. Okay, so all that's going to be on X. Ooh, wait a minute. So I do see here. Let me look at Instagram for the see you. Thanks for joining in. What you're working on? New software. Yeah. So how does the Spheroid compare to Luma AI's Genie text to 3D? Okay, good question. I will get that. How are you using 3D avatar generations in Hyperfly? Good. AI. I do like Luma. I do really like Luma as well. Love me some Luma. The avatar generations in Hyperfly, man, I wish I was in Hyperfly, but I won't go down the rabbit hole of the things that I wish I was in, right? I'm so glad to see all my friends win, right? There's been so many people doing so many amazing things, making so many crazy cool tools, and I'm just happy to be able to play with them. like the ones here with Spheroid that we're doing now. When they work, right? When they work. And speaking of cool things, and this has nothing to do with Spheroid at all. Only partials, only partial apologies here. Let me put this out real quick. Let me put the tweet out here. The tweet out. Let me go here. I'm gonna actually add it to the. I'm gonna put it in the chat. The link on over here on X. So on X on the video here, you can look at it here. Go paste right there. Bam, 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 bam. I believe that's the right link. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. All right, let's go. Here we go. I'll let you watch me make the tweet. Okay. Or make the post. We're gonna, check out at G-Talk. I don't even know if G-Talk art is on here. Probably not. Oh, look, the Jared G-Talk. There he is. Bam, bam. I'm assuming that's him. I don't know. Let's hope it is. I think it's him. Yeah. On. Here we go. On at Spheroid Universe. All right. So we got the and discover more about the deep Elon art. There we go. All right. Pop, 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 pop. Here we go. Reply. Send that there. So if anybody's interested, you can click that link. You can go to it. It'll still be there. There's still be there for a little while, at least for a couple weeks. So if you're interested in wanting to see some of those things, do they actually work? They usually do. They really, really usually do. So go ahead and check them out and follow that link. We never know. It could update tomorrow. It could be updating in a couple hours. I'm going to assume not. It's like 3:48. But yeah, it could be doing its thing. All right. So that wasn't even an hour. We're at 52 minutes when I started. So that's what my little video thing here is telling me. All right. And look, you're just watching me on a constant loop. I hope my audio is not on the computer where it's actually doing that. So let me go back to here. Excuse me. So we're gonna go back over here. Look at this Spheroid thing one more time. Okay. This is about what it will look like. As you can see there more. Okay, so if we wanted to place this little sucker, let's do that. Let's go over here. Before we get way too far out of here. Get out of the brain. Let's position this guy, this gal, this thing, this little character. All right, I want them to be more towards the front entrance. All right, so I'm just gonna scoot them all over like this. Da, 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 da. There we go. So if you look here, that's gonna be more like the front entrance. So that's the little drive around there. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that anymore. That's the drive around. Okay, right in there. That's the path that the cars go through right here. There's little concierge and some people here do some things, right? And then you get back here. Okay, you're going to go straight in. This is all casino floor here, right? All casino floor, all casino floor, all casino floor, all casino floor, all the way, all casino. And then that back there, that's just a poker hall, just a poker hall. But it looks like if you're interested, there's some, there's some prime spots still available everywhere around the globe. This is one of the largest casinos in the world. It's one of my favorites. They do have some golf courses back here, so if you're ever interested in golfing, I think they have three golf courses here. So that's the thing. But if you want to stay up to date on this brain here, which if it works when it works, which I that it's there, it's available. You can do it. It's super easy to drag and drop all of your assets onto this thing. You don't have to be a professional at any of this. Not to just go ahead and start letting people know information about your hometown. So it doesn't even have to be something fancy like WinStar. It could be and here's some of the ones that we've done personally, right? I'll just show you. We've done these things. Why is it doing that? All right, so we've done these things here in our own little hometown. Okay. If we look, let's just do this. Let's see. Yeah, we've done this in our hometown. Okay. We've done this all over other areas. We've done it in Austin. We've done it in Dallas. We've done it in Terrell. We put these avatars out. We've swapped them around. We changed them. We've done some with spotty Wi-Fi, where we even took. You can see spotty Wi-Fi's name is a listed voice still right there. You see spotty Wi-Fi. We took them to South by Southwest. Those are no longer visible. Those are down. That game's over. Right? You missed it. You missed it. That's on you. It's not on me. But yeah, so there's lots of possibilities with this simple drag and drop type stuff. Again, they've got the game coming out, so there will be more people playing on this platform in the not so distant future. And all of these platforms are going to have accessible things, right? So one of the other things here, what's up to everyone? One of the other things over here, not just on this platform, but in the AI AR space in general, but I'm going to bring back the folks to this platform specifically. Let's go here. I'm back here at the main at the home page, right? At the home page. When we get down here into the script, right? So one of the nice things that has happened, so we can go here, we can learn new script. And let's go. Let's just open this right away. See if we'll do it. But one of the nice things that has happened inside the community is Colin, right? It's GNFT over on the X Spaces, right? They have, so this is what it looks like inside of the merge, right? So if you wanted to go here and you can choose an app, and there's different ones in here. There's Flappy, okay, and then these are all the ones that I put out and published around the world as well, right? And so there's your Spotty test and Third Planet with Balins and MetaJax and different things like that. There's So What 2023 virtual guide. I think there's actually a So What 2022, maybe. Let's look. We're just gonna have to go way down here. So we got that's all the new stuff. Wait, so I don't know. So anyway, so here's these things here. They're not necessarily in any kind of order, I guess. There's a copy of Balling Music Guide, right? So if I go like this, click that there, and it'll show you all the things inside here. And you can go in here and you can get funky with it, right? You can get real funky with it. So if you do know how to actually play with some AIs, like maybe you get some APIs to some agents or things like that. And even though you started off your stuff with the with your let's go back with your drag and drop, okay, you can still go in here at any given time, right? Here's the AI brain, okay, you can go in here at any given time and update, change on the back end anything that you want to, right? You can get funky with it. You can get real funky with it. So if you have agents, you have swarms that you're wanting to activate, here's an opportunity. There's a whole open world here with that I love, and it opens the whole world automatically. So let's say you have an AI on each corner, or you have an avatar on each corner of the street. Let's go back. Where's not that. What is this? Not that. I don't know what this is. So here. But if we go back to where the map is. So like if we go back here, okay, where the map is, where you can see, where but yeah, so if you want to, you can, like I said, put these things anywhere in the world that you want to. Properties here on this platform, and you also have properties on another platform, right? But you want them all interconnected, and you want them all to communicate very clearly, right? You don't want confusion. You don't want to have to go from one platform to the other to make updates and checks. You want all of it just in one spot. So that's where things like these APIs and these agents and things like that with these platforms, these multiple platforms, are really going to come in handy, right? But I'm going to show you. Let's go into Dallas real quick. I'm just going to bring this up, and then we're going to get out of here. I'm going to start sharing this tab instead, as you can see. So I pulled the map up here. But let's say, for example, okay, we're just going to use this as the example, all right? But let's just say, like, right here in Deep Ellum, for example, your an AI activation, right, on each corner. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. You know that this is Velvet Taco over here, right? So you want to put a taco avatar thing right here. Okay. And right here at the punch bowl, people are going to be standing on each corner, right? And so, but what you can do is you can how far someone's going to be before they actually before they can interact with that avatar, that asset, whatever you want to call it. So you could have characters inside this block and on this block and on this block and on this block, and you could set so that no matter where anybody is, they could walk consistently down the street, and no matter where their starting point is, let's say I start here on this corner, boom, I've got an avatar. I don't have to go, oh, wait a minute, where is the assistant? Okay, I need to go down to this corner and have to know that that's the corner that the avatar is on. No, if someone has already placed in each one, just a super little, like, here's your AI assistant, then everything's in place. Let's say there's something for them to see. I mean, you can get funky with it. You can put out just some cool stuff to look at if you wanted to, right? You know what I mean? You can do whatever you want. Like, so for example, I don't know if y'all can see this, but here's an Ask Me Anything right there in that spot. Okay, and then I believe if you go down the street here, there's another one or two more somewhere else around here. I can't remember. You have these suckers. You can have like this guy here, right? Just Ask Me Anything. And then if you go down here a little bit more, there's another one right there, right? You come over here, okay, into the art garden area, right? Urban Gardens. So if you go over here, there's going to be a whole, not a whole, but if you go over here, you'll be able to see that's where you'll be able to meet Detox, right? Jared and the whole crew, and see the art that they've got going over there. But yeah, so it's just, right, you can do it, I can do it, the kids can do it, anybody can do it. You don't have to be super skilled. Right now, for something like this, just let people know about your town. Let them know about where you live. Go ahead and highlight your favorite spots, right? Put in your favorite spot to go to, your favorite pub. So when the AI, because you can give it information on, like, hey, talk about Billy Joe's famous burgers, right? You could say it to McDonald's and Walmart and all the other spots that everybody already knows about anyways. Or you can send it to your best friends, that they just opened up that nobody knows about yet. And you have full control right now because the world is yours. As you can see, it's like that spot. That's it. There's other spots all over. Look at that. Man, RBC is wide open for purchase. You got the Freeman. I love the Freeman. If you like food and you actually like food, go to the Freeman. But we're going to hop off of here. Like I said, I was just planning on doing this for about the hour or so. We're right around that time. And so, yeah, I'm going to get off of here. I hope this was educational. People got some information out of this. We're going to do it again. We're going to be back. Hopefully next time it will work. I actually got on to make sure, because I just like literally, I just finished making the Jennifer Boozer one out there. She's been so nice to us this whole time, so helpful and so supportive of everything. I felt like, you know, if I'm gonna make some, you know, just go ahead and make some, right? So, but you can do it. Anybody else can do it. It's super simple. What gets fun is where you start adding in the AIs from like Lester with the UBC and all the other agents that are coming in. Then really excited about everybody's doing. So we're gonna get out of here. It looks like I'm lagging even more and more as this goes on. So I'm going to get out of here. Hopefully, I will see you all out there somewhere